and I want to talk with you about some keto basics. So I started a brand new series on YouTube. So if you're not following me on YouTube yet, you can search my name, GrassfedMama, and my YouTube channel will come up. And I have 3 brand new videos that are launching, and the first one launched today and is all about what you eat on keto. And so I kind of go into the basics of what you eat on keto. But I wanted to talk a little bit today about like what I'm actually eating, I guess. And so first off, I get this question a lot about like, what do you eat? And so it's an honest question. Everybody wants to know, what does it actually look like if you're eating low carb, if you're eating keto? Because I know whenever I got started with this lifestyle, I was pregnant and I had gestational diabetes. It was a complete shock. I didn't have any sort of history of diabetes in my family. And so whenever I failed my test at around 27 weeks, my midwife was like, okay, we need to change what you're eating. And we need to figure out what you can eat so that your blood sugar doesn't go crazy. And so I discovered the low carb lifestyle from that point and realized that there were a lot of benefits to eating low carb. One of them is, losing weight or, just a benefit of that. But there's so many other benefits of being able to control your blood sugar. Some of it is just as basic as you're able to sleep better. You can wake up better. You can have more all day energy. And I hear this from so many people, so many moms who are just struggling every single day and they don't feel great. They don't feel great anymore. And it's because mom life is tough. And a lot of our lifestyle with that adds stress and different things. And even the food that we eat can make us not feel our best. And so I want to focus on foods that help me stay full and fuel my body the right way. And so it's not leaving me with energy crashes and feeling grumpy and moody. And there's a lot of research about how eating excess carbs and excess sugar can disrupt our hormones and disrupt even our teeth. I was reading about that, about healthy teeth and how a low carb diet is beneficial to even your teeth and your gum health and everything. And so it really is an indication that it's something that's so good for your whole body, your health from the inside out. And so I want to talk about, what do you eat? And so on YouTube, I just released a video this morning, so it's brand new. Actually, I think it may actually have released on Wednesday, but the blog post released this morning. So if you go to GrassfedMama.com, you'll see a video, or if you would rather just listen, a podcast, and then you can grab some healthy recipes while you're there. But the foundation of keto, of low carb, honestly, I feel like it's more a foundation of keto because I kind of discovered the keto lifestyle through low carb, which is just a little bit more of balancing different macros and everything. But the foundation is healthy fats. And there's so much research and just things that we have forgotten, that we're just now realizing again how important healthy fats are. Because I don't know about you guys, but I grew up hearing that, fat is bad and we should all eat low fat food. And if it was low fat, it was considered healthy. So then we all started eating low fat and our health declined rapidly. And so then we had to rediscover that, oh, wait, no, healthy fats are good. We need to eat more healthy fats. So I talk in the video on YouTube and on my blog, if you just want to go to GrassfedMama.com, about healthy fats and where you can find these healthy fats, how you can fill up on these healthy fats, and how a lot of people may have a misconception about eating healthy fats. And so what does it actually look like to fill up on healthy fats throughout your day? Are you eating a stick of butter? That sort of thing, mental thing you might think of is like, well, what does it actually look like? And so I talk about that in my YouTube video and on my blog post. But I wanted to talk today about just some healthy fats that you can start adding into your day, because I think that even if you just walk away with that, you will improve your health, your brain function, your metabolism so much, and you'll stop reaching for some of those foods that just don't make you feel very good whenever you eat them. And so healthy fats, the number one healthy fat that I feel like I eat is probably grass-fed butter, because I try to cook with it and I add it to my vegetables and everything. And so grass-fed butter actually has extra vitamins and everything in it that are so important. One of them, I think it's vitamin K, is one that I was talking about, your health for your teeth and prevention of cavities and having stronger enamel and all that kind of stuff. And so vitamin K is found in grass-fed butter. And so if you're shopping at the store and you see we can find it in our local grocery store now. It's not like a specialty product anymore, but you can get grass-fed butter, and that's one healthy swap. And one thing about just adding butter to your vegetables is that it helps you absorb those vitamins in the vegetables. So thinking about like broccoli, and you're like, that's a healthy food, we need to eat more broccoli. But if you don't eat broccoli with fat, you're going to be missing out on some of the vitamins because your body's not able to absorb it unless it's combined with a healthy fat or with fat, because it's fat soluble vitamins. And so a simple thing is just to add in healthy fats. So grass-fed butter is one. Easy to add into your meals. Another one is coconut oil, which I'm sure you've heard of. You're probably using it, on your hair, or you have it, next to your stove because you're already using it in other things. But coconut oil is one of those superfoods. It is a healthy fat. It can help with your metabolism. It can help with your cravings, because it's one thing about healthy fats is that it is so nutrient dense that it helps you with your cravings. So there's a lot of times that we may misinterpret our cravings and we're like, oh, I really want this, or I really want that. And our body is trying to tell us that we're missing something. We're missing a nutrient and we need to eat, but then we tend to reach for things that may not be as healthy for us. And then we end up having to eat more of it because it's nutrient low. It's low in nutrients. But if we eat high nutrient dense foods, it actually helps us stay full, and it helps us with our cravings. So if you're someone who struggles with cravings, then I would, number one, focus on healthy fats and adding in more nutrients, which something that I do every day is I take a superfood vitamin powder. It tastes like chocolate, so I usually drink it at night as hot chocolate, but it's a way to make sure that I'm giving my body all of those fruits and vegetables and superfoods every single day so that my body gets those minerals and everything that it needs. So that also helps with your cravings. Now, if you're thinking, well, what do I need to buy if I want to start eating low carb, if I want to, fill up my pantry, if I want to fill up my fridge, what do I need to buy at the grocery store right now so that I have foods on hand? And so I put together my keto grocery list. These are just low carb foods so that you can have your pantry stocked with foods to help you stay on track and help you, with those recipes so that you can make healthy recipes. And so if you want my keto grocery list, say the word list so I can send it to you, and it's an email so you can save it on your computer and have it every single week so you can know what to buy at the grocery store so you can make healthy recipes and everything. And if you go to my blog, GrassfedMama.com, I have some free recipe ebooks so you can download those for my top recipes that we make a lot. But I have a lot of recipes on my blog, but I put them together in an ebook so that it's easy for you to look through and just get the recipes that you want. So back to the keto basics. So we said the foundation is healthy fats, and that's what we're talking about today. And if you want to know more about keto basics and everything like that, getting started, then like I said, I'm doing this series. So you can either find it on my blog with the new videos and everything that we'll be launching, or you can go to my YouTube channel and you can hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss an episode over there. So that series is going to be on YouTube so you can watch it and learn. And I have recipes and all of that waiting on YouTube for you as well. But one other tip that I wanted to tell you that's actually been helping me this week, because I just got my brand new Ketokrate. It came in the mail, I think, on Wednesday. And so we have been really enjoying these different snacks and everything. And so sometimes whenever you're starting keto and you're thinking, oh my gosh, what am I supposed to eat? I'm hungry right now. Dinner's not until 6 or 7, but I need a snack. And so what I really like about Ketokrate is they send you a different box every single month. And so you can try different keto-friendly snacks and you can fall in love with something that you wouldn't ever see at the grocery store. And so yesterday we tried a keto bar that was like a keto pecan maple bar, and it was really, really good. The day before that, we tried like a keto raspberry cream snack cake. I've been sharing it with my girls, and so they have been trying it too. And that's kind of fun to let them see, that healthy can be fun and it can taste good. And I also tried some chicken chips yesterday on my taco salad. And I shared a picture of that. But if you want to try your own Ketokrate, you can get a discount if you use my code GrassfedMama, so it's easy to remember. But Ketokrate, so it's keto-friendly recipes delivered right to your door, or keto-friendly snacks. And so it's a whole bunch of things. It's different things every single month. And so it's kind of like Christmas, a keto-friendly Christmas delivered to your door. And so I want to let you know about that. But don't forget about going to my blog, grassfedmama.com, so that you can grab those recipes. And if you want the keto grocery list, just say the word list and I will send it to you. But I hope you are having an amazing day.